Today I'm making uh, smoked venison shotgun shells. This my ingredients: manicotti, garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, black pepper, cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese, mushrooms, squash, pork sausage, bacon, and I got this rub. I'm gonna try it out, and the barbecue sauce. Um, and this is about a pound of a pound of ground venison. So I guess we'll start it. Pork sausage already has some ingredients in it, so I'm gonna start putting something in here. Uh, and I forgot I should get one onion. Just trying to secure the camera somehow. Okay, good. Let me just adjust it to make sure you can see everything. And I'm gonna start by adding stuff to this. And we need a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna mix all that. Okay. Let me prepare some of the stuff that I'm gonna grind and add to this one. I add some fresh garlic. I'm probably gonna be using only about this much of a squash. Probably about 3 mushrooms. Mushrooms in squash just to keep the, it gives you a little bit of different taste and add a little bit of moisture to it. You can use the sausage. I just bought this. You can subtract or add ingredients as to your tastes. Okay, I'm going to take all this and grind into here. Okay, and that's what we got. Nice mixture. Now I'm gonna add some cheese and I'm gonna mix it well. Till the mixture is all nice and even. I like to mix them probably like 1/3 of pork and 2/3 of venison. You can wear gloves if you like. Smells nice. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to prepare one little meat patty. And I'm going to fry it and taste it and see if I got enough of everything. I'm going to shut it off a little bit while I'm doing it. And then come back to the rest. You should really taste it before you do the whole batch. I learned my lessons. I'll make sure it's got enough spices to my liking. I should be back shortly. Okay, I fried it, the moment of truth. I'm gonna try to taste how this tastes. Tastes great. For my taste, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, just a touch. I like things a little bit salty. Mix it again. Otherwise it's perfect. You should always try it to see if you like it. This, like I said, this recipe could be altered, could be added, some stuff, whatever you like. Okay, now we're gonna start stuffing the shells. I'm gonna show one or two, and then when it's done. Now we'll take those uncooked and keep on stuffing them. Till it comes out the other end. You can press it with your finger a little bit. To get all the air out of it. And that's how it comes out, something like that. I'm just gonna show, I guess, I'll do another one. Here's the second one. Then I'm going to take the bacon. You can use, this is a thin cut bacon. You can use a thick cut or a thin cut. And you just wrap it around. One slice is enough. just like that, so it's wrapped. Okay. Then we're gonna go with the rub all over the place. And then I'm gonna put them on the racks already. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of them and then show you the result, I guess. After we're all stuffed for today, we gotta go in the refrigerator. I'll probably even do it tomorrow, so probably like for 24 hours, but minimum we should sit like this 4 hours, and then you put them in the smoker. I'll let them sit till tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll probably smoke them. I'll be back as soon as I finish stuffing them. Okay, it's all done. It's all stuffed. It works out great. It's actually 14 slices of bacon, and it's 14 manicotis. Now I'm gonna put rib rub, and put them on the racks for smoking. Okay. That's about it. By the way, it turned out to be like 2 pounds of meat. It took about 1.5 pounds. I didn't realize it. I had the sausage almost 1 pound. But that's okay. It worked out great. It tastes excellent. I have about this much left over. I'm just gonna make a few hamburgers. And that's it. And now it's gonna go in the refrigerator. Minimum you gotta keep it like 4-6 hours. I'm gonna keep it overnight, and probably tomorrow I'm gonna smoke them and make a little movie how it tastes and finishes. I'm sure it'll taste fine. I already tried it, small meat patty. That's it for now. Okay, now it's been about a little bit over an hour. Cooking at, as you can see, at about 250. I wanted to go a little higher, but apparently my smoker can't cut it. I'm gonna put it to it's at the max. So I'm gonna check into it, see how it's doing. Oh, I think it's fine. Bacon is nice and crispy. Everything is cooked. I'm gonna go and put barbecue sauce on it and cook it for another 5-10 minutes. Okay, put some barbecue sauce on it. I'm gonna close it. And check it in about 10 minutes. Okay, it should be done. Temperature still over 250. I guess my smoker is not doing anything. I think it's pretty much done. Looks beautiful. Let me get them out of here, cool them off, and then bring you back. I'm gonna taste it, see how it came out. Okay, I got them out. It cooled off a little bit. And let's see what we got. Look like pasta cooked through with no problems. Delicious. For them to be nice, I probably should have just kept maybe a few minutes less. Excellent. Pasta is cooked. Meat is cooked, as you can tell. Great. All right, that's all. That's how I made my shotgun shells. As I said before, all the ingredients could be vice versa, or you can add or subtract whatever you like. Thank you. Bye.